If you're gardening with limited space, you need to make the right decision on what to grow. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 vegetables that I've tried to grow with limited success. And at the end of the video, I'm going to give you my number 1 choice, which is basically a waste of time, so stay tuned for that one. These cucumbers require pollination from bees and insects, so they only produce a limited amount. The better option is to take self-pollinated cucumbers, and you're going to get almost double the harvest. If you're expecting to get the romaine lettuce that you see in the stores, you're going to be disappointed. It's going to be smaller. And there's another option that's a better option, which is leaf lettuce. Leaf lettuce grows faster and it gives you almost double the harvest. If you're like me, you're hoping to get a really nice sized beetroot. And I've tried to grow beets many times. I followed all the directions, how much to fertilizer, the amendments, the amount of sun they need, proper amount of water. But in the end, I always end up with a tiny little beetroot and a lot of leaves, which is just disappointing. I thought it was a good idea because I had this set up to grow peppers inside. It's a smaller plant. And I went through all the steps and I did end up with little baby bell peppers, and it seemed like everything was good until I bit into one. If you're biting into a bell pepper that's red, you're expecting it to be sweet. These were not sweet. They were extremely bitter, and that made me bitter, and that is why they're on the list. Spinach is finicky, it has poor germination, and even when you get such a limited harvest, it's just a waste of time and space. So there you have my list. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're interested in more content like this, please subscribe and turn on your notifications, and we'll see you next time.